Hey everybody, Chris here. So Bitcoin hits $100,000. Is Dogecoin to $1 next? We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And I had a 3-hour plus live stream on Wednesday, and we were watching Bitcoin going up in price over 99K, and it was so close to 100K. But that initial run just kind of petered out, and it was like, okay, I can't just stay on all night, but I'll be back. That's right, Thursday afternoon, I will be back on live, so join me. Make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you got your notifications on. We got a lot to cover as well, but let's get into it right now on what's happening with Dogecoin. Let's take a look at the news and the charts, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the Dogecoin chart right now, over 44 cents. And as I tweeted last night, it looked like on the 4-hour chart, Dogecoin was in this symmetrical triangle and it was kind of pinching right here. And I was like, it looks like a breakout is coming. And then overnight, after Bitcoin hit 100K, Dogecoin broke out of the symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour chart. And so this is the start of the next leg up. How violent is it going to be? How fast is it going to be? We'll talk about that. I still kind of think, and as I tweeted this morning, I still kind of think like this is going to come back and do a retest. Typically, we see that kind of movement, but we'll watch that. We'll take a look at that. But this is the exciting chart here on Bitcoin, as this red line was $100,000. We were watching back down at 92 for support, that blue line. However, Bitcoin did not come down and retest that again yesterday. Instead, it turned up and it went right past 100K, didn't mess around with it any longer. And now there's an all-time high of 103,616. And it looks like today, Bitcoin is going to push up even higher. Yes, but Bitcoin's going to go up even higher than that. And of course, Doge now, we've been retesting in this big upwards channel that we've had since November 11th. We are now just a few days away from being in this upwards channel for a month now. But we'll see this upwards channel again in the news when I show you the news articles, because this is a key indicator of future move up. So overall, what do we have? We've got Gel saying Bitcoin broke out, pushed into 6 figures. History is made. Welcome to the next era of cryptocurrency. Send everything higher. So that's the overall Bitcoin chart zoomed out, and the big move up over 103. And Pomp is just saying, this is great, but now it's on to the next. We keep working, right? Bitcoin's not done yet just because it hit 100K. We keep working. Michael Saylor already said, He thought Bitcoin was going to go to 180 and then maybe have some kind of pullback to 140. And many are predicting 200 to 250, which if you look for my predictions a year ago, that's the range that I was talking about Bitcoin being in at the top of this cycle in bull market. So we will definitely watch that. And Titan of Crypto is saying Bitcoin breakout in full swing. You already know what's coming next. So he's got the next measured move up on this pennant coming to 128,000. So Bitcoin not done yet. There's a lot still to go in this bull market. And of course, we have shown this graph before, looking at the 4-year cycles. We aren't even into 2025 yet. We're not even here yet. We're here. We're still in 2024. And yes, we do have this bull run happening, but we still have all of this to go. Look what happened in 2021. 2020, Bitcoin was going up in December, and look what happened. It just kept going up in January and February into March. That was all up. Same thing happened in 2017. 2013 was a little delayed. Again, Bitcoin was pretty young back then, but it did continue to go up as well. So 4-year cycles, 2025, still ahead of us. Jasmy, yes, we're going to talk about Jasmy again. Jasmy's back. Look at that. Jasmy went over 5 cents. That's right. That's a new 2024 high. Jasmy, the Bitcoin of Japan. Look at that huge breakout. Now we had the big run back in June where Jasmy had gone up to about 4.5 cents, but the rest of the summer Jasmy traded back down and recently had been floating around 2 cents again. But this big breakout on Jasmy here, up over 5 cents. So let's send it. Let's get to 10 cents next. For Jasmy holders, this is looking very, very strong. And Trader Allen, Trader Tardigrade, also had a symmetrical triangle as well on his chart. And he was looking at a breakout coming, and there it is. And he's got the next leg up for Dogecoin, coming up to 55 cents on his next measured target. And you all know what mine was for the end of December, right? If you saw my December price prediction video of 69 cents, just had to be 69, right? Had to be 69. We'll see how that goes. Again, we're going to talk about this a lot more in detail as we hit our next live stream. So be sure to join in a Thursday afternoon. Again, make sure that you're subscribed, you've got your notifications on. So Dogecoin, technical pattern suggests possible breakout above 46.5, where some of us already think we just had the breakout. We'll see what happens today. I guess Elon Musk and Vivek are supposed to be at Washington, D.C., U.S. Capitol, talking to Congress about Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge. But you never know what happens with these events. And so we will be watching that and reporting on that in the next live stream. But Dogecoin has been holding steady, but since this article was written, it has broken out of that 41.42. We were watching on the live stream yesterday this very, very strong support here at 43.5. I mean, the resistance there, 43.5. And now that we've broken out of that, probably going to, again, retest and then move higher would be my guess on that kind of thing. Some market analysts forecast possible $5 price target for 2025. And I'm saying, hey, let's get to $1 first, right? Let's get to $1 first before we start thinking about $5 or $10. Also, recent XRP market gains could potentially benefit Doge through profit rotation. So we've been looking at that, right? We've actually been watching Solana as Solana went down. And a lot of the Solana traders then probably moved over to XRP, which pumped XRP. And now it looks like that's going back to Solana, but also Doge as well. Price charts show a break above bearish trend line formation. Again, higher lows as we have been tracking ever since November 11th. And that higher lows is also good. And I've got another little key indicator to show you in just a minute coming up with Doge. So Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, not a competition. We all win, right? But a bull flag suggests that the Doge $1 rally is imminent. That's right. And that's on the Doge BTC trading pair. And you know that I've been looking at this for quite some time, Doge versus Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin just hit 100K. But you, in the Doge BTC trading pair chart, you wouldn't notice it because Doge is trading right along with Bitcoin. And it has been for a number of weeks now. So all this excitement about Bitcoin, but Doge is keeping up through all of that. That's right. And as we zoom out, we see post-election, Doge has far outperformed Bitcoin. And then come the 11th of November, it has been sideways. So Dogecoin has traded exactly in step with Bitcoin. Bitcoin gets all the attention, but look what Doge is doing. So we're starting to see this triangle form here where we could have a breakout on the Doge BTC trading pair. Also, the money flow index suggests increased buying pressure, reinforcing the potential for Doge to reach $1. All of that looks very strong. Here's the overall view, zooming way out and looking at, this is the Doge BTC trading pair, all the way zoomed out back to 2020, and this giant flag indicating where Dogecoin versus Bitcoin will go, and they say it's going to be higher than 2021. Higher than 2021 will be awesome for Doge. So the prediction is still very bullish. And here, looking in November, this is very clear, this upward channel that Doge has been trading in, while Bitcoin has gone over 100K, still very strong. So what about Doge rally to $1? It's imminent. That's right. Doge rally to $1 is imminent. Again, we got a number of levels we got to hit first, but trading up in that direction is very strong. This consolidation at a higher range is, again, higher lows, bouncing off this ascending support line. As I've shown in my channel, same thing happening here on this chart. We also have the number of transactions. That's right, we look at the volume of trading. I'll show you that, which will go back to this previous chart and look at the volume and how the volume has ticked up from September, October. The volume of trading was really, really low. And look how it's not only after the election it spiked up, but it has held very strong over the past few weeks. Big volume trading of Doge. And as we go back to the Cointelegraph article, we're looking at the open interest. We looked at that yesterday. And overall, we have this big analysis here showing how not only do we have the uptick here in the price, but also looking at how this could possibly press upwards. So going back to the Cointelegraph article, we see that not only do we have this strong consolidation coming up, but look at the RSI. The RSI peaked up in early November and has kind of been tailing down since then, which is very strong for the next move up. RSI tailing down while the price is going up. Look at that. So as the RSI comes down, it's coiling up for this next big run. So that's what we've got overall on Doge. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Doge is pressing up now to 45 cents, and we're looking for that next big move up. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.